Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about one operator called ternary operator. What is ternary operator? Ternary operator is also called three-way operator. Three-way operator. Okay, and it is also known as the replacement of if else. Replacement of if else statement. Now, why it is called replacement of if else statement? This operator is used to reduce the lines used in the if else statement. Okay, so now firstly understand what is the syntax for this ternary operator. This ternary operator uses two symbols. One is question mark and second one is colon. Question mark and colon. This part is this question mark is called true, and after this one is called false. True and false. Now these two symbols are used. Now what is the use of these two symbols and what is the syntax for ternary operator? The syntax of ternary operator is as follows. Condition, then true, and then false. Condition, true and false. Okay, now if this condition is true, then this part will be execute, and if this condition is false, the false part will execute. Take an example which help you to understand this in a clear way. Suppose there are two variables, say int a. The value of a is 15 and value of b is 10. And if you write int max equals a greater than b, a colon b. Okay. Now, if I ask what is the value of max after executing this statement, so now check what is the value of a here. The value of a is 15, value of b is 10. Okay, so clearly the value of a is greater than value of b. So what is the value of a max? The max will store the value of a depending upon this given criteria. That is, if a greater than b, then condition this one is true. After this question mark, the statement is true. So this will be the value of max. So max equals a. Now change the condition. Now value of b, change the value of b as 18. So what is the value of max now? The value of max, again this one is 15, this one is 18. So 15 and 18, compare this one is greater. So that means this condition is false. If this condition is false, max will store the value of b. That means max equals b. Okay, and the value of max is 18. Now in board examination, the question comes to convert if a statement into the boundary statement and binary statement into the if a statement into a ternary operator statement and ternary operator statement into the if else statement. So how to convert ternary operator into the if else statement and vice versa. Consider same example. Int max and the statement. Add one more line here. System dot out dot print max. Okay. So this we have to convert this statement into the equivalent if else statement. So let's see how to convert this into the if else statement. So condition is like this. Int a equals 15, b equals 18. Then int max equals a greater than b, a and b, and then SOP max. So come here. So first line, declare the variable there that already given. Int a equals 15, b equals 18. Then put the if statement here, if, and the condition part. So this one is the condition. So write the condition here, that is a greater than b. So if this condition is true, what we have to write? In the previous example, we used to write, if this condition is true, then we used to write max equals a. Again consider this previous example. If this condition is false, what we have to write? We have to write max equals b. To put the else statement here and write max equals b. And then after this max, so right here system dot out dot print what? Max. Okay. System dot out dot print max. So this is the way to convert ternary operator statement into the equivalent if else statement. Now next one, if this only ternary operator statement is given and you have to write, this if else statement is given and you have to convert it into the ternary operator statement. What is given there? Suppose this one is given, if a is greater than b, max equals a, else max equals b. Now this is the question and you have to convert this if else statement into the ternary operator statement. So how to write this one? First of all, remember what is the syntax for ternary operator. The syntax for ternary operator is condition, question mark, true, and colon false. Now where to store? So a variable. Variables equals condition, true and false. So here, what is the variable here? Where to store the true and false value? Then here this one is max. So right here max equals. Now condition. Where is the condition part? This one is the condition part. So right here A greater than B. Okay. This one is the condition part. Okay. Now what we have to write? True. That means if this condition is true, so what is going to store in max? So max equals A. So no need to write the complete max equals A. You have to write what we have. We are going to store A. So right here after question mark A. And what we have to write in the false part, that is else part, then colon, and in the else part written there B. So right here B. Okay, finished. So this much you have to write. Check where what is the condition. Depending upon the condition, what is a true statement and what is a false statement. I think you are able to understand today's topic. That's enough for today. Thank you and have a nice day.